Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solutions. So friends, in this video we are just discussing about exam pattern of Infosys. Okay, that is on 15th of May 2022, and we'll discuss some syllabus and what topics you need to prepare and what is the important topics for exam. Okay, we'll discuss each and everything, guys. Don't worry. So let's get started, guys, without wasting time. And if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, guys, please subscribe as soon as possible so that, guys, you will got daily notification of updates and hirings and placement material, guys. Clear? And if you want to know more about some things, guys, you can simply come on our YouTube channel and simple search Infosys. If you want to know more about like last slot exam questions answers, you can search simple Infosys and you will got a lot of videos. Okay, and if you want, you can also follow this playlist. I will share the link in the description, guys. Don't worry. So let us see, guys, what type of question, what type of syllabus actually in that one. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. So basically, guys, you all got this syllabus exam pattern, right? First section is, guys, basically reasoning is there. Let me take a pen. Basically, first section is reasoning ability, guys. Okay, and it have a 15 questions and time you have a 25 minutes, guys. Next thing is, guys, basic aptitude are there and only 10 question, guys, and you have 35 minutes for that, guys. Okay, next verbal is there and 20 minutes and 20 questions are there, guys. Clear? Then you have a pseudocode round, guys, and pseudocode have a 5 questions and 10 minutes. Clear? And puzzle solving and 4 questions and 10 minutes, guys. We have already discussed this pseudocode and puzzle based questions. A lot of videos are available on our same YouTube channel, guys. If you want to prepare with that, you can refer. Okay, so total, guys, total duration is total 100 minutes, guys. Okay, approx 130 or 1.5 hour we can say. Okay, 1.5 hour we can say, guys. Clear? So this is basic exam pattern, guys. Let's move to some important topics. So some these are the some important topics are there, guys. The very important topic is, guys, this data sufficiency. Clear? Data sufficiency, logical deduction, these are very important topics for that exam, guys, number series. Clear? If you want, you can take a screenshot of that, guys. Clear? And some more topics are there, guys, है ना. Basically aptitude और these सारे लगभग topics सारे important है. ठीक है? I have just searched on Google and just take some topics in front of you. Okay, so yeah, because I have no time to write these all the topic one by one, so that's why I take a help of Google. Okay, so these are the some topics that is related to aptitude and that is little bit important, guys, we can say. And P and C you can prepare data interpretation, that is very important. Some percentage concept is there, guys. Time and distance also a little bit important concept. Age also, guys. Basically all aptitude and listening topics are important basically, but very important we can say these are the topics, guys. Clear? The next thing is, guys, verbal. You have a verbal. In the verbal, that is very important, that is passage or reading comprehension we can say. Then you have a sentence correction. In every company they ask this to every company have this topic. Spotting error. Clear? Fill in the blanks. Okay, guys, and para jumbles. Clear? And these all about programming, guys. Okay, programming, you need to do this type of things in programming. Clear? So this is all about, guys, today's video. Okay, and it's all about today's video. In this video, guys, we'll meet on next video with some last year questions. Okay, and until you just visit our YouTube channel and just follow this playlist if you really want to crack Infosys, because a lot of questions are available, guys, right? Pseudo code, puzzle based. ठीक है? Coding, but coding नहीं है कल के एग्जाम में, so don't worry about it. ठीक है? You can prefer this pseudocode videos, guys. That is very important. Okay, so go and check out once, guys. And if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, guys, please, yeah, subscribe, because we are daily uploading the placement material, right? So please, guys, subscribe and support us and share if possible. ठीक है? So we'll meet on next video. And one more thing, that is the last, and if you have not joined our Telegram channel, guys, please join this channel as well. Maybe we'll provide some tips and trick on this channel. Okay, so go and check out this channel as well, guys. That is very important for you and for your exam. Okay, and we will start some web development series soon, guys. Okay, whenever we got a time for that, we will start that series as well on our YouTube channel. So just subscribe, keep in touch with our channel, guys. Okay, so thank you, take care, bye bye, and best of luck for your Infosys exam that will held on 15th of May. Okay, so take care, bye bye, and subscribe करना मत भूलिएगा. ठीक है? Okay.